Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 22, OV 155. चावडीस अवघे 3 खण, अग्नेयी कोण बाबाचे ठिकाण, चहू बाजूंनी फळ्याचे वेष्टन, करीती शयन तै बाबा. The Chavdi was divided into 3 parts. Baba's corner was in the southeast. He slept in a place covered on all 4 sides by wooden planks. अवघी रात्र बत्त्या तेवती, सदैव उजेडात निजती, फकीर पुकरे बाहेर बैसती, बाह्य प्रदेशी अंधार. Lamps burnt there the whole night. He slept always in the light throughout the night. Fakirs and others used to sit outside where it would be dark. अमीर जणू त्यातची एक, आजूबाजूस इतर लोक, तेही लवंडती तेथेची देख, ऐसे कैक ते असती. Amir was one of them. Around him there were other people who also lay down there. There were so many like these. तेथेच बाबांचे पश्चाद्भागी, सरसमान कोठीचे जागी, भक्त अबदुल परमविरागी, सेवेस निजांगी तत्पर. There, behind Baba's living quarters, was a storeroom in which a devotee called Abdul, a very detached person, lived. He was always ready to serve Baba. ऐसे असता मध्यरात्रीसी, बाबा आक्रंदत अब्दुल्लासी, म्हणती माझिया बिछाण्याचे कुशी, पहारे विवशी आदळली. This is how it was. Once at midnight, Baba cried out to Abdullah and said, "Look, I have found a ghostly creature near my bed." हाके पाठी हाक देती, अबदुल पातला बत्ती हाती, बाबा आक्रंदे तयास म्हणती, आता होती ना ती तेथे. He went on calling him repeatedly. Abdul came running with a lamp in his hand. Baba loudly said to him, "Wasn't she here just now?" अबदुल म्हणे सारे पाहिले, येथे न काहीच दष्टीस पडले. बाबा म्हणती उघडून डोळे, नीट सगळे देखे रे. Abdul said, "I have looked everywhere. There is nothing that I see here." Baba said, "Open your eyes and look carefully everywhere." पाही अब्दुल फिरफिरून, बाबा सटक्याने ताडिती जमीन, बहिर्निद्रिस्त सकळ जन, जागृत होऊन अवलोकिती. Abdul searched everywhere again and again. Baba kept hitting the ground with the satka. The people who slept outside awoke and began watching. जागा झाला अमीर शक्कर, म्हणे हा आज काय कहर, हे अपरात्री सटक्याचे प्रहार, होतात वरचे वर काबरे. Amir Shakkar also woke up. He wondered, what is all this commotion today? Why is there so much noise of the satka in the middle of the night? पाहुनी ही बाबांची लीला, अमीर तात्काळ मनी तरकला, विखार कोठे तरी प्रवेशला, कळोनी आला बाबास. Seeing Baba's actions, Amir was immediately scared and thought that a snake had entered somewhere and Baba was aware of it. तयास बाबांचा फार अनुभव, ठावा तयास बाबांचा स्वभाव, आणि तयांच्या बोलण्याची माव, त्याने हे सर्व जाणले. He had a long experience of Baba. He knew Baba's nature and his manner of speaking. Therefore, he understood this fully.